Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide online status from or on Instagram. All you need to do first is of course to have Instagram on your phone. If you don't have that, just go download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account on Instagram. If you do have your accounts or you already have an account or own an account, just go log in and let's get straight to Instagram. So how can we hide online from Instagram? All I need to do, of course, is tap at my profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then I should go on and click on the three lines on the top right corner. Here, all I need to do is just go and click at settings. Then click at search and look for privacy. Click on that. Then all you need to do, just scroll a bit until you find activity status. Click on that. Then here you have this option. You can enable it or disable it. Show activity status. If you disable that, you will hide online from your Instagram. If you check that, people will be able to see that you are online. So as you can read here, allow account you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see activity status on of the other account. Just let's say for example I want to hide this, just click and check this and you will be good to go. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.